Yeah, there we go. So these are kind of like lights on stalks, really. So if we just take this one, just pull the lighting up, it will change all of them. So we could change this to kind of like a nice little kind of cool lighting as well. Okay, and then these metallic cones that we've made, let's go ahead and just pull those down. Press G, bring them down. Just have something like this. To be honest with you, I'm thinking of changing the material on this to maybe a glass or something. Let's get rid of the material on them. Let's add new.